Cause turn me up a little. Picture me, new 3D denim, I'm city rollin'. But did I mention this my own clothes? The fuck you mean, made nigga about my own rollin'. But if them crackers pull me over, they gon' say I stole money, we own it. I went bought 2 as trophies. My father left my sister bros to them, I feel I owed it. But let's not be heroic, cause everybody roguish. They don't want us toting guns, but they let the fucking killers tote it. Let's take a ride and see though. What them people be though? Coke 45, the grip design, bought this bitch from casino. Soprano, no Soprano, we live life like Gambino. Had a short and BMO after that post on the block with Chino. I'm a hustling motherfucker, look for a star on every honey, see no. I'm the top on YouTube, fuck a new school, I don't use no beef. These niggas around me, they too cruel, they bust tools and die for me though. I don't pay money for no life, the murder pay off me, so came out alright. But I'm blinded from the life, I can't see though. Outside, blinded from this life. In the field, outside for life. See how the folk can truck bitch. Got juveniles on the block, 30 stick hanging out the Glock, bandana tied around the clip, and they go all out for me though. They wanna kill in the name of your brother. It's not fair. Suck all the pain up, let's fuck the game. Plenty niggas on the block pushing that rock. It's the Carter son. You got your change up, they brought your name up. This what we with, they blocking when they sick, this shit'll never be done. I can't say I'm fucking with all this evolvement. These niggas ain't right and they ballin'. I don't give a fuck, no. I call up Osama, my baba. Like load up and come and rob all them. Venezuela, running later. My first trip to Georgia made us so companion with ambition. Double G NBA native. I wish baptism could've saved us. Never broke into the grave. Excuse ourselves, knock on the table. I make a pussy bite the pavement. I can't say I'm fucking with all this evolvement. These niggas ain't right and they ballin'. I don't give a fuck, no. I call up Osama, my baba. Like load up and come and rob all them. Came out alright, but I'm blinded from the life, I can't see though.